In the name of God, hello my dear friends. I'm Rosa and today I'm going to teach you how to make these two pillows. They are almost the same. Both of them are 5-petal flowers, but they have differences. So watch the video completely to see how do I make these two and what is the difference. Can you understand the difference? Subscribe to my channel and like the video. What do we need for making these two pillows? 2 colors of velvet fabric that is stretchy, about 1 kilogram of polyester fibers for each pillow, a pen, this is my pattern, a cane, a polyca pipe with the length of 50 centimeters, and scissors. I want to sew it now. I use a 4-thread overlock sewing machine. Find the right side and first you attach pieces together. Now I want to start to tie these two pillows. This braid's length is about 525 centimeters, and this one is 6 meters. I want to tie this one in an ordinary way that I taught you before, 5-petal flower in an ordinary way, but this one will be new. So continue watching to see how do I make it. This one was an ordinary tying. This one will be the new one. Pay attention carefully to see how do I make it. Okay, until here it was the same as this one. In an ordinary way, we pass the braid from here in an ordinary 5-petal flower. But this time we do something different. Look. We pass it from below and put it out from here. Here, not here, here. Then we put it here and take it out from here. Then we should pass it, take it out from here and put it down here. and take it out from here. Take it out from here, put it down here. And take it out from here. Now, take it out from here, put it down here. Take it out from here, put it down here. And ta-da, it's over. As you see, this is the back. This is the back. See the difference? We should cut this surplus braid. And this is the front. Can you understand the difference? Which one is nicer? Now I should sew the head and the tails together. These two and these two. So continue watching. I will sew it and come back again. Okay, as you see, I sewed the head and the tail together and covered it with a leather. This is the new tie. This is the old tie. Compare these two together and tell me which one is nicer. I like this one more. Look at its face and its back. I didn't sew these two together yet, but I will do it. Look at the edges. It is so nice. But this one, can you understand the difference? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.